Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. It's mail call. I got some couple of mail from people yesterday, both at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna let you know what we got here. Um, the medical detectorist, Sam. Two cool stickers. Awesome. I can I can use one as a giveaway since I got two. I can give one away. Oh, that's a nice one, shiny one. See that? Yeah, awesome. That's cool. Thanks, Sam. Congrats on winning my give guess the dimes subscriber appreciation contest. Take care and good luck out there, Sam. What a cool card. Like that's awesome. That's really cool. And what do we got in here? Two of the silver dimes that I got. So cool. Um, I can't really see the years right now. I'll look at them. Everything's put away because we're moving, so I need my magnifying glass. But I can I'll look at it later. But that's so cool. Thanks a lot, Sam. Here's Sam's channel, just so you guys can see. This is the one here, I guess. Oh, there's my picture on there now. You can see that's the one I won. He's done a lot of stuff. He's great to watch. So please subscribe. The medical detector, Sam. He's great to watch. Great supporter. So very cool. A lot of stuff in there, you guys, to watch. So great channel. So thank you so much, Sam. That's really cool. And the next one's gonna be Hi Ho Silver. Big time congrats on winning some silver from Hi Ho Silver. With the prices of with the price of silver these days, yeah, for sure. Supporting my channel is paying off. Hope all goes well for the upcoming move. Yeah, we're in the process of moving now. I think we got 2 to 3 weeks left to move. So uh, here's to a happy and healthy 2026. Big love and hi ho from KC. Peace always. Cool. Thank you so much, Ed. Oh, $5 coupon for High Plains Drifter. Prospectors.com. You guys gotta check that out. I'll look that up when I look at it. And cool card from them. Another High Plains little sticker. That's cool. And what's in here? Okay. Two more silver dimes. Again, I'll look at the date of what they are. I can't quite see right now. Sorry, guys. But wow, that's what an awesome win. Now let's take a look at his channel here for a sec. Yeah, he's got a lot of lives every Monday. So you guys ought to check it out. There's his channel, Hi Ho Silver. He does great lives, and he gives silver every time. So It's like, never mind just, to win. It's great to watch. He's another awesome supporter, and he's just great to watch his videos. So please check it out. He's a great channel. Great to watch. A lot of fun. His videos are awesome. So appreciate you guys watching. There's a little giveaway that I won. So thank you both, Sam and Ed. And you guys have a great day, everyone. Take care.